Yeah, so as we said, we've got a bit of a dilemma, and I'd love to get some help, some feedback. I've had this vehicle now over 2 years, as you know. I've done approximately 25,000 miles, and I'm getting a little bit bored with it. Not taking care of it as much as I used to do, and you know, but I absolutely love the vehicle itself. So, bit of a dilemma. Is it time for me to change, or do I stick with what I've got? My dilemma is that really I really love everything about this vehicle, the way it drives, the equipment it's got, how it performs, the feeling it gives me, the view that I have from this you know, high seat, the safe feeling it gives me when I'm driving. So I really would probably change for something similar to this again. So new Range Rover probably. That's high on my list if I did change my vehicle. And then I think, is it worth it? I'm going to spend a lot of money to get something that's very, very similar to this one. So not quite sure. Love if anybody has made that transition from old shape Range Rover to new shape. I'd love to know about it. Have you made a good move? Have you made a bad move? But seeing as I've got this one, I'll just talk you through what's happened with this vehicle since I've had it. So apart from routine maintenance things, I've been quite lucky. I've had a set of tyres on the front, a set of tyres on the back, ready for a new set of tyres on the front again, brake pads on the front, and brake pads and discs on the back. Other than that, that's been it really. I've got a few marks on the exterior and a few little bits that if I did keep this, I would sort out now and bring it a little bit more back to life. It's ready for a little bit of TLC, let's just say. But the things that I can really tell you that I've loved about this vehicle is, one, it suits myself. I'm in my mid-50s now. I don't want to race about. I don't want anything racy for an everyday vehicle at all. I get a really good feeling when I'm sat in this position. Really high, fantastic view, commanding position. And I know they're not the fastest of things because they're you know, they weigh over 2.5 ton. A lot of power on your foot, especially when you put it in sport mode. There's a drive mode and a sport mode, and you just get that extra little bit more in the sport mode. Yeah, you've got paddle shifts. Don't really use paddle shifts, it's just something that's there every now and again. I use it, but not a real hold. I've got my music, which I can stream to my vehicle. I can link my phone up with it to do everything I want, which is, I know it's all basic technology nowadays, but for someone like me, as long as I can communicate with the outer world, and I can play my videos, my CDs, and anything that I want to stream, then that seems to be ample for me. I've got quite a lot of comfort. I've got my memory seat, so if my partner drives the car and I jump back in it, I can soon switch it back to me. I love the leather on these, the actual trim, the feeling that these seats give you, the bucket seats, the commanding position. You know, I think they've just got it right, and I know why it's, you know, been a popular vehicle. A couple of things that I really love from the old Fords is your heated screen. I know you don't see that in many vehicles, but on a cold frosty morning, it works diamonds. It's a few seconds and it's away. An heated steering wheel, which I've got in this one, heated seats, and like I say, I might sound a bit easy to please, but it really does give me every function that I need for a daily running vehicle. Never had any problems with any of the mechanical gear. It's got lots of different ride heights. Been off-road a couple of times in it, but not really used it as a 4x4, and I don't think most people do. I think it's, you know, it's the thought of having a 4x4, and if you need it, you've got it, but if you don't need it, you don't use it. Fuel consumption is about 28.2 miles per gallon, and that's over the last, I think I reset it about 5,000 miles ago. So that's a real true average of my driving. I get comfort. I've got good vision. I feel safe. And when I really compare it with other vehicles I've got, I can't really think what I'd replace it with, apart from, like we say, another Range Rover. So I'd love your help on that one, just to see if you've got any ideas, any inspirational thoughts, anything that could send me down a different route. And like I say, I'm just going to show you now on the exterior a few things that, if I did decide to keep this, there's a little bit of wear and tear, a few little things that need bringing back to life, so I'll show you that.